In the 1940s, affiliate marketing was not yet a concept. But that didn't stop a young entrepreneur named Jack from coming up with a brilliant idea. Jack owned a small retail store in the heart of the city and was struggling to attract customers to his shop. One day, he stumbled upon a new product that had just hit the market, a brand new line of high-quality razors. Jack immediately saw the potential of these razors and wanted to get them into the hands of as many customers as possible, but he knew he couldn't do it alone. That's when he came up with the idea of partnering with other small retail stores in the area. He approached the owners of these stores and offered to give them a commission for every razor they sold. The store owners were skeptical at first, but Jack was persuasive. He promised them that he would provide all the marketing materials they needed to promote the razors, including posters, flyers, and even radio ads. The store owners agreed to the partnership, and within weeks, the razors were flying off the shelves, customers were raving about the quality of the product, and the word spread quickly. Jack's affiliate marketing program was a huge success. He continued to partner with other stores, offering them a commission for every razor they sold. Before long, his small retail store had turned into a national brand, and Jack became one of the most successful businessmen of his time. His legacy lives on, and his innovative approach to marketing continues to inspire business owners to this day. Although affiliate marketing as we know it today didn't exist in the 1940s, Jack's idea paved the way for future entrepreneurs to come up with similar strategies.